So, you want to recover or reset your screen time passcode if you've forgotten it on your iPhone or iPad? I got you. Screen time is a helpful feature for many iPhone and iPad users in the USA to manage device usage. If you set up the screen time passcode with your Apple ID for recovery, you can reset it easily. Go to Settings, then tap Screen Time, scroll down and tap Change Screen Time Passcode, then tap Change Screen Time Passcode again. At the prompt for the old passcode, look for an option that says Forgot Passcode ? Tap this, then enter the Apple ID and password that you originally used to set up the screen time passcode. Once authenticated, you will be able to set a new screen time passcode without losing any data. Ensure your device is updated, as this recovery option requires a fairly recent iOS or iPadOS version. And that's it.